Hey everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Brandon.
And this is Fish or Price Ranch. Alright you guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I was sent a Saker mini electric chainsaw, and so we're going to be unboxing this and trying it out. So we've got our lubrication oil for the chain, we have our cord for charging, looks like a couple of tools, and then the chainsaw itself. We have the battery and instructions. So first, let's take a look at our chainsaw. So there it is. Whoops, don't drop it. And then we have our battery here. And it's a 20-volt battery. Alright, let's see how we're going to be using it. So we need to lubricate the whole chainsaw evenly before each use. Also lubricate it whenever replacing a fully discharged battery cartridge with a charged one. Then it has a cleaning guide, which is what this will be for cleaning. Alright, so I guess first thing is, I'm going to put the battery on here. I'm going to see if it's even charged or if we need to charge it first. Oh. Okay, well it works. So I guess what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and lubricate it. So it has a little safety button, so this will not go until I hit that button, which is nice. And I like that it has a good guard on there. So we're just going to go ahead and lubricate the entire chain. And then I'm going to move it just a little. Okay, the whole thing is lubricated. Alright, so now we're going to go out and test it, see how it does. Alright, so to charge it, we've got it plugged into the top of the battery. And there's a red light on here. I'm going to assume that it will turn green when it's fully charged. So we'll see how long it takes to charge the battery. Alright you guys, so we're going to be trimming up this tree here. We have a lot of dead branches and we can't walk around the tree. So this is what we're going to be testing out this Saker saw on. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and cut this branch off. Bam. That worked pretty good. Let's do this one. See if we can cut this bigger one off here. So it says not to use, or not to cut anything over 4 inches in width. I guess we'll go right here. There we go.
Sorry, I didn't know you were that close.
Not too bad. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Better than doing it by hand.
Alright, so we got all those branches off. We got all these little ones. And we started on this bigger branch here. And it died. So we did get all of this trimmed up. So we got we got all this right here trimmed up. So we're gonna have to go charge the battery. Here come the girls to try out the trees. All right, you guys, so we got the review on the Saker is it's awesome. It works really well. It's nice that it's small and handheld. It cuts quick, and I really, really like it. The problem that I'm having is it does take an hour and a half to charge this 20 volt battery, and the battery's only lasting about 5 to 10 minutes. So I would definitely recommend, the saw itself. It's great. I would definitely recommend purchasing more batteries and probably doing small projects with it. It's definitely not something you would want to use on a bunch of big projects because it's not going to last very long, but it is nice to be trimming up the trees. And for me, not liking big chainsaws, this is perfect for me. So I do like it. Brandon, what did you think?
Yeah, I liked it. It did a really quick job, cut really well, clean, straight cuts, and definitely a lot better than doing it by hand.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right, so that's our review of the Saker hand saw. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.